Welcome back to Luxury Carvibes, your ultimate source for the most luxurious, rare, and jaw-dropping vehicles in the world. Today, we are stepping into a whole new dimension of automotive luxury and performance at the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard it right. Bugatti has now brought its legendary speed, unmatched craftsmanship, and elite status into the world of motorhomes, and it's nothing short of a masterpiece on wheels. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride of your life. From the moment you set your eyes on the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, you know you're looking at something that breaks every convention. The exterior is a blend of aerodynamic artistry and road-dominating presence. Crafted with lightweight carbon fiber body panels, its sleek curves and aggressive lines are borrowed straight from Bugatti's hypercar DNA. The iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED laser headlights that can light up the darkest highways with crystal clarity. On the sides, you'll notice sculpted air channels not just for aesthetics, but to optimize airflow for both cooling and stability. Massive 26-inch forged alloy wheels with low-profile performance tires give it a stance that says both elegance and dominance. The motorhome's two-tone paint job is available in exclusive Bugatti color schemes, including the legendary French racing blue and a bespoke selection of luxury finishes. Even the roofline is a work of art, integrated with panoramic glass and a retractable solar panel system for sustainable energy when you're off the grid. Step inside, and the Bugatti luxury experience only intensifies. The interior is an exquisite blend of hypercar craftsmanship and five-star penthouse living. You're greeted with a full Bugatti stitched leather cabin, available in custom colors to match your personal taste. The driver's cockpit is a high-tech masterpiece, featuring a fully digital panoramic display with AI-assisted navigation, adaptive suspension control, and integrated performance monitoring. The lounge area is furnished with Italian leather recliners, a hidden pop-up 8K LED cinema screen, and a surround sound system developed by a high-end French audio brand exclusively for Bugatti. The kitchen isn't just functional, it's a gourmet chef's dream, featuring carbon fiber cabinets, marble countertops, a smart induction cooktop, and a climate-controlled wine cellar. In the bedroom, you'll find a king-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting with customizable themes, and a skylight for stargazing on those serene nights. The spa-inspired bathroom boasts rainfall showers, heated floors, and touchless smart mirrors with integrated health monitoring. Under the hood, or in this case, under the rear chassis, lives the true Bugatti spirit. Powering the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a specially tuned quad-turbocharged W16 engine, pushing out an earth-shaking 1,200 horsepower. This monster is paired with a hybrid electric assist system, giving you both instant torque and improved efficiency when cruising. Despite its size, the Bugatti Motorhome can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, a figure unheard of in the motorhome world. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures perfect traction, while the adaptive air suspension provides a smooth ride whether you're on a racetrack or a remote mountain pass. And yes, Bugatti engineers have tuned its exhaust note to produce that signature deep growl when you hit the accelerator. Now for the part that only the most elite can handle at the price. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome starts at a jaw-dropping $5.2 million, but as with all Bugatti creations, personalization is limitless. From custom exterior finishes to rare interior materials, your final build could easily exceed $7 million if you go all out. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace, a statement of extreme luxury, and a feat of engineering that only Bugatti could deliver. If you loved exploring the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome with us today, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow luxury car lovers, and subscribe to Luxury Carvibes for more breathtaking machines from around the world. This is where luxury meets speed, and we've only just begun.